To start, it's one of the most beginner-friendly VPNs out there. Whether you've used VPNs for years or this is the first time you've ever heard that word, trust me, you will have no problem installing NordVPN, connecting to a server, and keeping yourself safe online. And NordVPN is really fast too. There's always going to be a slight decrease in speed when you use a VPN, but when I used NordVPN on an optimal server location, I couldn't tell any difference in speed. However, as per usual on faraway servers, it did become more noticeable. That being said, it comes packed with quite a few features. You can turn on split tunneling and only route the VPN through certain apps. It also has an independently audited no logs policy and even uses RAM-only servers to eliminate all traces of your disk use. And that's just to name a few. Personally, I'm a big fan of its built-in ad blocker as well. Now, while I trust that you would never use an ad blocker for one of our videos, I can't help but recommend it myself, since without pop-up ads and banner ads, video ads, and all of that stuff on just about every single web page, all of them loaded much faster without having to deal with all of these advertisements. But NordVPN is honestly held back by one major drawback. Like Surfshark, it isn't great for use in restrictive countries. But overall, I really like NordVPN. It's fast and loaded with a ton of security features, but it stands out for being my most beginner-friendly pick for sure. If we helped you pick out a new VPN today, or you just enjoyed my horrible puns throughout the video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button down below.